Actually kasi po, ballad po yung iba pong version yung akin. Hindi! Kanta po yan ni Adam Lambert sa American Idol. Kasi ibang version to, baka magtaka yun.
The version is common to everybody.
Ano po? Mission number 2 lang. I will always love you.
Yes.
Kasi baka hindi nila alam eh. I mean,
Which one? Number 1? Hindi nga you sing number 1? Shy pa siya.
kailangan ko ng backup.
Wow, you need the backup. Come on, Mr. Corino.
Ouch! Ay!
Miss, ibang version na.
Go ahead. I'd like to hear the new version. You're the SC10I now.
Kasi nag-boss ko, ito tabawan lang eh.
Hi.
May trending na naman ako.
I swear. Like a shadow that is by your side. Ano number 2? Hit miss yung ako-na niya. Ooh.
Yeah!
I swear. Like a shadow that is by your side.
Oh,